Asembeba Debbie na Asembeba. At this moment, OnuaTv for the workers of OnuaTv together with Captain Smart, ABTSC NPP so concerning Adia Enra Omo third chairman Honorable Osman after say opia TV3 for microphone to say Debbie TV3 for ya catch them say no tun kwanta ya pai mo pe the program ase omo two microphone to twene no Captain Smart won ti ase on the workers say Debbie no mo OnuaTv show time so in fact omo abege koma adwan kire NPP pay Captain Smart kire say without them NPP can never come to position lie I Penyah Block Media. Best was any demo. Open like this video down over subscribe button. The snap click the notification icon to latest update. Now bet the wide media mama ever comment. That's so baswa. No she will more for so any be share. Before the record that and 7 so we see a man Delilah Eja Oma you know. While as the Delilah say for no but ko person need come na yingo ti nimra.
How long should a man last in the bedroom?
Oh, for me, the minimum, the shortest sex you have to have with me, minimum, it has to be between 45 minutes and 120, something like 45 minutes, 1 hour, an hour and a half. Minimum for me to say, okay, that's a sex. If we're talking about a quickie is 30 minutes. And if I want to, if I don't come, it's not a quickie. So 1 hour, 1 hour and a half, you can start.
So typically you need a little bit longer to come. You don't come like 5-10 minutes.
No, actually I do come a lot, but I am not the person that says, oh, I come and that's done. No, I am a multi-orgasmic girl, so I can come as many times as I want. But for me, I really like a coitus, like a really good timing on the coitus is between 45 and 1 hour and a half. Why? Because you burn time playing the foreplay, the role play, the foreplay, the kissing, the oral, the toys, all of that. You kind of spend like 20 minutes on it or 30 minutes, right? Then the girl making the blowjob, making the oral to the boy, and vice versa. This is another 15 minutes. So there we have half an hour. Where do you have to come? 5 minutes. You don't want to put it in and then coming back, no? So that's why I say 1 hour, 1 hour and a half, 1 hour, like half an hour to play around. Because, like sometimes you are very horny and you just slide it and put it in and blah, 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 blah. But sometimes, like mostly all the time, you are not that, you date, you call the person, you agree to meet and to have a longer time. So that's why I'm saying like 1 hour, 1.5 hours.
And is it okay if the man comes a little bit fast, but you do it several times?
Well,
okay?
Yes. It's okay if the man comes fast, but then he goes with the fingers. I don't care if the man comes, let's say, at the 10 minutes. Okay, that's fine. But you have 10 fucking fingers, you can please me off, you right? That is toys, that is your tongue, that is your nail, that is your leg, that is your fucking arm, that is your nose, your head. Everything, all your body is there to make the girl come or to make your partner come. So if you come at the 10 minutes, I don't have a problem. If you make me come, if you make me do it, baby, you got your crown put on. This is more.
Yes, over just a quickie, ya ka quickie. Tra. I don't require 30 minutes. There's a quickie. Tra. I don't know yet to her 30 minutes. It is when you so no call it to bad the idea 5 hours. Most I tell you, for I got upon a good time. 5 hours. So when they are there, one of the daughters of Delilah, a member Moasa Swiss. Now, let's move to the actual story. Mama history kakra. Yebeke yetobe December edi Mama Tina Kunyaso 7th January 2025. Exactly 27th January 2025. Anna NPP for a press conference. I mono omuchire mu say they have withdrawn from media genre. No. OnuaTv, Akoma FM, Akoma TV, TV3, any of those media houses under media genre. Omuno mo tunkwanta oma pai omuno mu ni tweke bia omu hia media genuine ni bia presenter bia as blogger bia wo omu program ase emotional media genuine etwe response letter to them any media genuine say okay oh yeah fa mo ho bai after mo what is mo na mo ye amanyasa yeah wo ho ye na control public mo just party it mo na mo hia ye it is a mo hia ya yes ye mfam ho yen mu say te Yeah, media general for. We write in response to their more kind and say, yes, yeah, more. Yeah, more. Beside, and then when I'm try a bill, smile. Yes, yeah, more. It don't go be any we say. Media general, any NPP, no, Bia letter say, oh, here, yonko. Interestingly, that same 27th now, Anna Trump, Uko USA, Trump, also added Osha to CNN, that news media, USA, CNN, added Osha to CNN, so say, oh, here CNN, and when the program, because Omiya bias, Trump can't say, a crowd, be. It's according to NPP for this is NPP for said Donald Trump, or they want an MSCNN. Because NPP for say media general there. I say, can't try to Ghana for the FMPP home. The NPP near groups NPP. What I say, can't try. A bias. In then said Trump, I boycott CNN there. And yes, we are boycotting media general. And media general so I reply for fair. Emma no be able to work here. Feel me, Omuntawatina Enra. Enra and people go share at Liza Hotel, Accra. But then you say a vote of thanks. But I say, your trouble we call Munya Chadan come in Ghana for us, a vote of thanks. A be emotional. Almost a coach, a quishia co adding to Tuagua Quam Hawa, Pet Bessa fun into a pefra, a Bassa Ghana for Conobium, I is an almost general secretary, a Busa Odinamua or Cassa. Now all Cassa noir, and an answer, Umwa. I don't say, na TV3 for microphone is yanomano. Wait a minute. Is this not TV3 microphone? And young microphone is in here almost here. And here, what is your microphone doing here? It's not going to me, no pass. We go have your mic in him. Then we have to hear the Omu all couching. Anna Osman, our third chairman for the NPP party of CDB. I will take the bold decision. General Secretary Nick, I said, wait a minute. This microphone, M1, I don't think that's here now.
Will be brought out for all of us to know and to prepare ourselves. So I want to thank you for joining us this evening. It's not minority that will also say something. At least the mighty minority that you can't say it's okay. So mighty minority leader at least okay. Chief for no. Unfortunately, we cannot. So,
please put that. I just think we'll be a connection at all.
Yeah. So, can someone bring the mic for us?
It's an association that Montana so in fact. Na I say he. Na no panel say on OnuaTv, Captain Smart and Onuamo ebegu so showtime. I want Captain Smart chirimu say, ade NPP for no or say or feeling ho a wonte ase. Na omunnimu say without them, NPP can never come close to power. Morefi.
Andra, it should be see more media general idea. And then I'm person me the start. The media general there, say a media general a very broad way. And I'm a contribution to the state politics. And in the course we Ghana and some no. Yen to me and yen to me in Damase. But Andra incidents BCM Andra NPP for a Koshia war Alisa Hotel a meeting. Their first meeting was the neck. Omuwie na omo National Council for so betinase. Now NPP for a co-opposition no. I think so omo ani so ade hu na esi omo ani so omo say rebuilding and restructuring no say bibisa. And they want to portray to Ghanaians say right now it's time for unity. Now unity no why never can was mama na unity no edimu. Rebuilding, restructuring no. Why never can was mama ebe ton was mama because media general is not only TV3. A lot of media houses say mo branches are not often. You have a lot of journalists, Captain Atetin Kofo Bebre, and Kofo are looking up to you. It's a quiet to say, what come back, what can you na? And I am so cramuso mo bushing for. Into I didn't a chain. Then no moment, I send me with some mic and your logo not to not mic in this, all right. Then who say, yeah, then sir, Penyah mic, no, in frame, TV3 mic, no, in frame, and tough. And here, almost second vice chairman. He's not an ordinary person. An executive for the party. I almost see almost restructure, normal rebuild it due to the humiliating defeat. I see 7 December. And so when I'm here, you know, it's a mic na a real tool for me. Who feel say, Captain here, my banners. Who feel say, so we're human. Now you're humiliated, we say.
Dunia baba me na wase na me nche wati fo ne wahwefo yina ma me nka say me start in the streets because I'm ready ho as NPP ya shotun panyimfo wo fie
okay
as mo ya shotun panyimfo wo fie me katwi kasa as mo ya shotun panyimfo wo fie
na je se panyimfo wo ba se
book yansa no wo ho but the fie yansa ya shotun kakra Media General, Ebafo, Ghana, it is the biggest station in Ghana. Take it or leave it. You can't beat us, so join us. Now, Penyah say, oh yeah, press conference, ewo edanya wa rentimu, enya wa ufi, enya wa udai. Edanya wa rentimu na oh yeah, press conference, no wa friends and trophy, na wenya se Media General, the biggest station in Ghana, at me abahonomo.
Na yefremo.
No, whichever way.
Okay.
Yes. But whichever way it is. Some friends, someone friend, yako honomo dear, we are recognized. Yeah, baby, and the man will send trophy share munedimu. Okay. Who you free honomo? This year, press conference no, come was back with me.
Almost all more details name, but one thing.
No, press conference no more yeah no.
Thanksgiving.
Press conference no more yeah no. Come was back with me. And yet, TV3 microphone no more piatron chena aje social media fa.
Exactly.
Aje baby afa. Omo press conference come was back ko pe e me.
It's almost promoting more.
No, it's not like they are promoting us. They have touched the biggest media house in Ghana. Okay. It's nobody will pay attention to their so-called press conference. Because they are making it look as if say look, one would journey a hantaya omode no mode ti amamuomu no sa journey a hantaya no mode akwa kwetena fie na sa journey a hantaya no because we di omo achi till some better position ache. Nobody will advise them. Omo pa omumra. Look, yeah, ade no na enye yentimi meka say sebim predia say enye the support unti chinchira ye ka say ye no sebim predia say yetete mi ofie ya nye mi yetete mi ndi say ade na enye ma mi ndi fetire be senka cho say ade na enye na no na John Dramani Mahama obey president foforo ede na aka fa ne ho eno de na NPP for say ye na Dramani betena konwa so 8 years ede ma bi amfa na ye ka mo se mo de enye. I'm not surprised some could see a book in this, but as a Penyah Samo and the wolf. So they are not able to differentiate between politics and common sense. They should be able to differentiate between politics and common sense. Because like I said, way, no, be a attitude with fear be the best idea way. You could see clearly it was a deliberate thing in Pierre Factory, more money, more form. In any case, me say o press conference no mo ye no press conference e mo asem ba ko pe ka kire me asem bi anim o mo aka asem bi ye dey ato challenge say ye discussing Media General ye discussing the fact say they want to make it look like omuni Media General was him. And I am so shocked and so disappointed that was Justin Kodua me campaign the man. I sat on radio, I campaigned for Justin Frimpong Kodua because I felt as at that time yes.
Just no,
I look, we are now disappointed because listen, we felt as at that time John Boadu wasn't good enough.
Yeah.
So let's employ a new energy, somebody who is more knowledgeable enough to manage. Oh no, as at that time.
But as at that time.
I'm choosing my words.
John Boadu
we thought to say John Boadu wasn't good enough. So let's choose somebody who is more knowledgeable, who is more energetic, who is more youth oriented.
Not the party so
yes.
John Boadu.
Now, you find them now almost see the affairs of the party, the NPP party. Normal NPP is attractive BBM because Satan now NPP who are hindu. Now, fast forward. They have portrayed themselves to make it look like as a munyansan, kokwana sinyansan, senyor mo obiye di sanyansan BBM. Oh no problem.
Yeah, they always play victims.
But I will ask one simple question. Possibly, maybe I'm a rabbit me here. Maybe there, Mateso a lawyer, but me name the SABia would No.
Pacho.
And I say people be
Pacho.
Lawyer, Justice Report.
But no problem.
Chema Pacho.
When was the Asamo court that?
Baby, no, me someone didn't go court to cut the myself. We're winning case that.
But people be a lawyer.
One will be there.
Ebia, you will get your lawyer, you will make a lawyer.
Maybe you lose the 2008 elections. No, Jay could for a meeting. Ebinum shared that one co-meeting. No,
okay. It was deliberate.
Kwabrenta point me dancing or Tiasi Umui. Time in Pennyphobia bar meeting national. Now what's happened, my? But they been more bad no more clap tea.
Captain, we have for time.
No more be
okay.
I'm your host.
Oh, sorry. No more baby, you more call and say. And no more come on out to so no mukuta umufumun. Meeting na ekosono. And phobia. And one na kufo repeat assembly of Pentecost. Your chairman dada. Chairman MK Yabu no taka. A sorry dachi. Na je kufo ka was a meeting na say. Hey. Your party. Ne dachi. And a dimwa
dachi ni new.
ABC 2016.
Okay.
Ne dimenya nanado. And ye benya executives. And nanado pam won. Eyi kwabene Japan sinchen.
Foko.
And pam pola foko. And ode CPP NDC ni
Incredibly.
Ebeye national chairman. Okay. FM we ebe do the last congress of the New Patriotic Party. Yeah, the Pam John Boadu.
Yeah.
That day, them who was a party na say.
Pam John Boadu.
Yes. And yet,
Nasa eno di omo to abaka.
Chair. Guy. And yet, nipo only yen na chese party na go. No. How? The how.
Okay.
The presentations and how certain things were done that day. And a mommy who said, "Hey, asama J Kai, party no edachi." Now watch this. Party no call. Takra de say call lunch in the manifesto. Who shall in here?
Ne cry.
I say enkokoma ekomo general. Na omanya ebrosu a esoso che nti omo mena enko. Aha.
Akwasha omo mena.
Nti omo soso. Say ya me no ka say. You reduce NPP na. Obey criminal libel law. If you want my Ghana journalist no. And then chairman it me nya kukudro say I did that on purpose. Me share that say me one microphone no at watch. Into your microphone no touch ne.
Yeah.
Montro on the
Masaudu.
NPP be kwa kutwa de ho. Obekwa kutwa de ho. Say media house ebet mama wedi to me wo kuma.
Media
simple.
And now kano.
Na NDC say omo boycott Peace FM.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
But I want to say if I can enough for Papa NDC for.
Yeah.
As I say on no kwawai.
Oh, senior oh, Munja is senior my. Ya to abana wi. Munja is senior. Baby madam.
Na no hinto na introduce.
Madam men ko ho.
And as fa ka.
I would men ko ho. O ye senior.
Your matter.
Ye de bibia to nche ya senior money.
Aso ye
senior no. Sir, despite media, no, UTV can home.
UTV can home.
Okay.
Peace FM.
Very good. But then this year's strategy be a depicted NPP. Some year to travel my way for. Yes. And this buy a paper gold board no. And a samage fit tam sika. Eko tria sika ma UTV. Saka samage fit betwa betwa sika na mulia.
Yeah.
Anamwa.
Because mo boa mo.
Yeah, the boa. Na ko betwa betwa sika ma abeto airtime no. Because so ko tria sika to airtime.
Airtime.
Ko betwa beto TV3 ana onua obekọ akoma ana obekọ connect obebo onua FM ana 3 FM. But samage mfi anye odisi okoto airtime no e wo UTV.
I see.
Why? They want them to their fold. But we need to start from somewhere. Say oba bi o wasase bia no ho ye ne desert den na home for ya. We are by force penetration obetem wish be prano. So man hwe manim titi wabodwe. They started from somewhere. Eti enro se nane na ansakura no. Me hu say me hu artwork bi o se flyer bi JB kura na de chem se na chief of staff kura so okoho say ye ampa na say nya ampa no me hu say ye say okoho na wo what ho ye wa man fa ho because ye time na NPP mba no na ye numbers kosoro de bia chamamare wa de baba bia numbers no kofom.
I see.
Yes. Sanka NPP benefo betena se din no we jai dwane ahantan na ho
ahomaso time no.
It's true.
Ebe boa o mu bruta. Sesi e Ghana for wani. TV3 na e wo ho no. Abaye Ghana nsancho mu bosom. Se wonnim na wo don saka. E da na TV3 sabe yesi ye asantefo ntebrofo. Ye mo ye mpebrofo. Nyesa na ye ka kire ye. E da na TV3 e popular. All the can TV stations in Ashanti region.
Yeah.
Otumfo prefer TV3 to any TV station in this country.
And in fact, Wama TV3, or no can endorse TV3. They are much about the view, no simple country, John Mahama say, or be with TV3, so say one out to me comment, you know, or catch and say, and they come here and the brain.
Otumfo
TV3,
or prefer TV3 to any of the TV stations in this country, even though me na come here in Chame, something.
Hey, I see.
Denti, and Eastern region, TV3 is popular. HN TV station bia.
Yeah, TV station over there.
Sir, what show you? Northern region, Upper East, Upper West, and then TV3, and they are popular. And what HN TV station bia. The current survey na abano. Oh. The next English-speaking TV station, Odi TV3, you know, TV3 is between 55 credit points.
Okay.
TV3 is leading 55 credit points. 55 credit points, and they're trying to say, "Mene wo eko kumase, na medru labor, na me kopaki okeme, na fe no wetu won kan, na won deploy."
Oh, okay. And that you say mu train.
Emu train.
Emu train. Tinto ma wo be do am no mo cock da.
Enti no, Yansani no dada kwase aso ne nema. Akade na afanyo market so nyobi ana frɛ no. Ono ana di mirika frɛ TV3 show no so. Ba maka microphone na to form enye de. Me mani age obi mu na mani age o. I was so happy about it.
Ba me mpanyimfo bi omo wa NPP mu omo say omo de omo beba TV3.
Me, I will pay them back again bitterly than what happened in 2024 general elections. I know the party more than they do. Baby, you didn't share ye be anymore. Baby, I can't be aso ko tu amene bi aso minimum.
Now, Captain winning.
Baby, I saw for wusu bempa. Omo so adwonso egu ankrem this pick up to ekọ wa minimum. Woman tena se no mu se omo ho se. E den na hackman date ase. Safma for date ho.
Papa just
go for ho. Pa just go mo ho. Is there something omo messiana? The current crop of leadership in the New Patriotic Party is missing discipline and decency.
Yeah.
There's no discipline in them. There's no decency in them.
You
don't lead a political party that way. And your father was on your morning show. No one can come out ma show for frabe to aso political party ye managing this and until they find the right crop of leadership I be instill discipline and decency now stabilize partner find the equilibrium NPP will continuously be a laughing stock.
OnuaTv for workers are Captain Smart into mind. Oma bege can be part of NPP for FR no Omo microphone Omo catching Omo catching. But to you as my viewer and my listener, what is your take on this? Already TSS say NPP for actually crata bread media general say Omu here Omu program aseno. Media general so actually be brain people working yatiase. Yes, ye one program ye yamu people. Afi a day be see ya media general moko NPP for part a programmers. Without NPP, can't you people stay? And answer day. Thrɛw adwuma me e wo comment section. Aha yi Penyah blog media.